They do not allow video cameras inside, it seems. The road is like in the middle of the forest, and we are the only one right now. There's nobody else, front or back. George, how is it?
I had to taste it. But finding this store is very difficult.
Good morning from Ooty, day 2. Light drizzling. You can see the clouds. Let's hope that it doesn't rain today. Yesterday it was raining like very heavy rain. So we are heading towards Emerald Lake today. Yeah, come check. Okay, cool. George is coming. Let's go. সামনের ভিউটা বেশ দারুণ। চললাম অ্যাভালাঞ্চ লেক এখন অলমোস্ট 25 কিলোমিটার্স ডিস্টেন্স দেখাচ্ছে জিপিএসে। 1 আওয়ার টাইম দেখাচ্ছে এই মুহূর্তে, বাট বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে হালকা ড্রিজলিং হচ্ছে, বৃষ্টি না। তো 1 ঘন্টার বেশিই লাগবে আই হোপ, কারণ পুরো হিল রোড আছে এটা। সো লেটস সি কতদূর কী করে পৌঁছাতে পারি। আর যদি সুযোগ পাই একবার ড্রোনটা উড়িয়ে তোমাদেরকে একটু বার্ডস ভিউ দেখানোর চেষ্টা করবো। Okay, now so the thing is that they do not allow video cameras inside, it seems, but the security guy was a little bit humble, and he said do not take any videos or something when in front of any checkpost and all. Try not to take videos. If you are taking, take as less as you can. And we are headed right now towards this avalanche lake. The information what I got it that there is no trekking happening now. It's been stopped since a year or something, and there is a jeep safari happening, 250 rupees per person. Probably we're gonna take that. Let's see. But the road is like in the middle of the forest, and we are the only one right now. There's nobody else, front or back. avalanche lake দেখলাম এখন আগে অনেকটা আরও এগোনো যেত, বাট এখন ওই বললো যে এটা ড্রাইভার ল্যান্ডস্লাইড নেমে অবস্থা খুব খারাপ হয়ে গেছে, ওখানে এখন আর যাওয়া যায় না। বাট আদারওয়াইজ ওই ফলসের থেকেও অনেকটা দূরে আমরা আমি আগে গেছি। আমি 2018 এসেছিলাম, তখন আরও অনেক দূর যাওয়া যেত, একটা টপ ভিউ পয়েন্ট ছিল। তো সেটা ওদিকে যাওয়া গেল না, কিন্তু ওই যে আমাদের ড্রাইভার ছিল সে বললো অন্য একটা জায়গায় যেতে। তো চেকপোস্ট যেখানে ফার্স্ট আমরা চেকপোস্ট এন্ট্রি করিয়েছিলাম, ওখান থেকে একটু 3 কিলোমিটার গেলে নাকি ড্যামটা পাবো। তো চেষ্টা করছি ওদের দিকে যাওয়ার, লেটস সি কতটা যেতে পারি। নাও লুক এট দ্য ভিউ, নাইস রাইট? I hope you all have enjoyed the aerial view of this area. I was feeling so good to fly, to be very honest, because it was sunny finally, at least in this place. You never know when the weather is going to change, so luckily we are here at the right time. So wow, nice. Bye bye Avalanche Lake. We are now going back to our hotel to have lunch, and from there probably we'll try to visit some other places too. এখন প্রায় 1 ঘন্টা খানেকের রাস্তা হোটেল যাওয়ার। ততক্ষণ তোমরা এনজয় করতে থাকো আসছে ভিউগুলোকে। Okay, we had a quick lunch and it's now 2:23, so a bit late, but yeah, we're now heading towards the other local sites and places. Right now we are moving towards Dodabetta Peak, which is the highest peak in Ooty, the highest point in Ooty, and let's reach there, and from there probably we'll see where if we can visit other places too.
While moving uphill, I had a doubt that the place would be covered with fog.
That's it, nothing. You cannot see anything. Completely fog. All over the place. We're heading back towards now Paikara Lake. Let's see what happens there.
So without wasting much time, we started towards Paikara Lake and Paikara Falls. Both are just 1.5 kilometers away from each other. It was my second time here, so let's hear from George this time.
Paikara Lake is good. Actually, when I see the water falls down, no, my mind feel free. I forgot everything and really started enjoying it. So, got a nice experience. So nice view there.
Kind of exhausted. So, to climb up a lot. Seriously. But yeah, it's worth. It was really worth. Now we're heading back to this probably Paikara Lake. We'll just see that and then not sure. We'll get to see. Okay, day 2 almost done. So, George, what are the places we have visited today? What are the places we have visited today? Avalanche Lake, Avalanche Forest, then Avalanche, that safari ride. No, then before that Emerald Lake. Then after that Dodapitta Peak or viewpoint where we saw only fog anyways. And then after that we came to Paikara Falls, then Paikara Lake or Paikara Boat House, and finally you went to the shooting point, right? The only thing is left is the pine forest. It will be on the way, I think so. If it is not on the way, then tomorrow morning we are going to come back, right? So when on the way coming back, we are going to follow the same route. So what you do is I'll just stand by for some time, and then I'll just be here for some time, and then you just go there and just visit the place and come. Okay? There is another point called some Needle Rock viewpoint or something, then Frog Hill or something, which will go tomorrow on the way. Okay? Don't get disappointed, buddy. But I want to have momos now. I don't know where I'm gonna get this momos. Now it's your job to find me momos. Ask somebody in the local language that where do we get momos, or Chinese shop, Chinese food shop and all.
A few moments later.
George is trying to find out where is the momo shop or the KFC shop, something. पहाड़ों में आया मोमो ना खाए, ये तो ठीक नहीं होगा ना. Hyderabadi Biryani House. Yeah, you can go. You got that place? Okay. Finally, we got momo. Thanks to Jiro. And this is our new friend, Suchinder. So you're Suchinder. That's correct. Sachin. Yeah. Same from Bangalore. Probably we'll ride tomorrow together.
After having those delicious momos, we bought some chocolates from Moody's and George figured out a new way back to our hostel. So that's it for episode 2. If you have liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. See you next week with episode 3, and until then, keep roaming.
Building is around 150 years old.
This is also a shooting spot, but look at the crowd, man. Explosive Ranger. Oh man, what are they carrying?